Welcome aboard. Have you activated Blast's new multiplier yet? In this video, I'll explain how to activate the last 2 multipliers of Blast so you can reach the 20x multiplier. Let's get started right away. Blast is expected to distribute airdrop rewards within this month. Therefore, the final attacks are crucial. To reach a good position in the ranking, your multiplier should be at its maximum level. To activate the Launchpad multiplier, go to the Launchpad section. Here, you'll see several dApps. I'm using Blaze to activate the multiplier. This link directs me to the Twitter page. I enter the site using the link on Blaze's Twitter page. After doing this, I need to link my wallet from the top right section. I'm using my backup wallet when linking the wallet. Now I'm ready to use the Explore button. Here, I'll make a Mint transaction. I use the Mint button and confirm the notification that comes to my wallet. The transaction is completed. The color of the Launchpad box will change, and the multiplier will be activated in a few minutes. Just wait for a while for this to happen. Now it's time for the lending multiplier. To activate this multiplier, go to the lending section. There are many sites here. I'm going to choose Juice Finance. After entering the site, I use the Launch App button and enter. Link your wallet from the top right and join Juice Finance. If you need an invitation code for Juice, you can use my referral code. You'll find the link below the video. Now, what we need to do is to lend. I go to the Lend page. I can lend USDB or WETH. If you don't have WETH in your account, you can use Blade to swap. I'll just lend $3 worth of WETH and I can withdraw it whenever I want. To lend, go to the Supply section under Lend WETH and Lend, that's all. Approve first and then click the Supply button. If you want, you can withdraw the given loan using the Withdraw option. Minutes after doing this, your lending multiplier will be activated. Remember, what I've explained is not investment advice. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.